Are you ready? Are you ready to completely transform your creative life? Because the AI revolution is here. It's no longer a distant dream. It's accessible, and it's for everyone, regardless of background or skill level. This isn't just for tech geniuses or coding experts. AI is your new creative partner, a collaborator that amplifies your abilities. It's ready to help you 24/7 whenever inspiration strikes. Imagine bringing your ideas to life with unprecedented ease, faster than ever before. Watch your concepts materialize in record time. This is your moment, your opportunity to shine. This is your chance to build something meaningful, something that resonates with you, something that brings joy, not just to you, but to others as well. Something that helps others, provides value, and makes a difference, and maybe even earns you income, turning your passion into a sustainable venture. Forget what seemed too hard, the obstacles that once held you back, or complicated. Leave behind the technical hurdles and the steep learning curves. AI makes it simple, intuitive, and accessible to everyone. Picture yourself creating, designing, and innovating with ease. Imagine crafting a beautiful ebook, filled with your knowledge and insights, or developing an engaging online course, sharing your expertise with the world, or even producing stunning art prints, expressing your unique artistic vision. All with a tool, a powerful ally that understands your vision, anticipates your needs, and helps you bring your ideas to life. This isn't science fiction. It's not a futuristic fantasy. It's your reality, a tangible opportunity within your reach, starting now. The future of creativity is here, and it's waiting for you. All you need to begin is a little courage, a willingness to step outside your comfort zone, and some guidance, a clear path to navigate this exciting new landscape. So, what exactly are digital products? What can you create and offer? They're anything you can create, package, and sell online, reaching a global audience with your unique creations. Think guides, informative and helpful resources, templates, ready-made designs to streamline creative projects, music, and so much more. The possibilities are truly limitless. With AI, the process becomes even more streamlined. Making these products, bringing your ideas to fruition, is easier than ever. The barriers to entry have been significantly lowered. No fancy degree, no formal education, or big budget required. You don't need a fortune to get started. Just your ideas, your passion, and a willingness to learn, to explore the potential of AI. We'll walk through, guide you through the steps together. You won't be alone on this journey. Get excited, embrace the possibilities. Your creative world, your potential, is about to expand beyond your wildest dreams. This guide is your roadmap, your compass, to using AI tools effectively and creatively. We'll break it down, simplify the process, step by step, ensuring you understand each concept clearly, with no confusing jargon, no technical mumbo-jumbo. Just clear, actionable advice, practical tips you can implement immediately. To get you started, to launch your creative journey with confidence. You are a creator, an innovator, with value to offer, with a unique perspective to share. AI is the key, the tool, to unlocking your full potential, to achieving your creative dreams. Take a deep breath, relax, let go of doubt, release any fears that may be holding you back, and let's dive in. Let's embark on this exciting adventure together. The world is waiting, eager to see what you create, for what only you can create, for your unique perspective and talent. Your journey starts now, at this very moment. Let's build your dream together, brick by brick, idea by idea. You have everything you need right here, right now. It's time to open new doors, explore uncharted territories. Imagine the possibilities, the endless opportunities that await you. Endless, with AI by your side, empowering you every step of the way. You're not alone. We're a community. We're in this together, supporting each other's creative endeavors, ready to see, eager to discover what you can do, what you're truly capable of achieving. Let's get started. Let's begin this exciting journey. Your creative revolution, your personal transformation begins today, right here, right now. The future is yours to shape. Your destiny is in your hands. Embrace the power of AI and let your creativity soar. Every great product starts with a spark, that initial flash of inspiration that sets everything in motion. It's the seed from which amazing things grow, your idea. It's unique to you, born from your experiences and perspectives. What are you passionate about? What truly excites you and makes you lose track of time? What do you know well? What skills have you honed over the years? What comes naturally to you? Your passions are clues. They point you towards areas where you can create something truly special. When you enjoy the process, when you're genuinely invested in what you're doing, your customers will feel it too. That enthusiasm is contagious and builds trust. Let's brainstorm. Let's unleash a flood of possibilities and see what emerges. What problems can you solve for people? What needs can you fulfill with your unique skills and knowledge? Maybe it's a recipe ebook for busy moms filled with quick and healthy meal ideas, a student planner designed to help students stay organized and on top of their studies, or a business goal tracker, a tool to help entrepreneurs achieve their dreams. Your digital product can be someone's solution. It can make their lives easier, more efficient, or more enjoyable. Write down every idea. Capture those fleeting thoughts before they disappear. Nothing is too small or silly. Embrace the unconventional and let your imagination run wild. Start with what you know. Build upon your existing foundation of knowledge and experience. Use your existing skills. Leverage your talents to create something valuable. Are you good at resumes? Do you have a knack for crafting compelling professional documents? Create templates. Design resources that others can use to showcase their skills. Love gardening? Is it your happy place? Write a beginner's guide. Share your knowledge and help others cultivate their own green spaces. Authenticity is your superpower. It's what sets you apart from the crowd. People trust real experience. They connect with genuine stories and relatable insights. Once you have a list, a collection of potential projects and ventures, pick one idea that excites you most, the one that makes you eager to jump out of bed in the morning. Focus on that single project for now. Give it your undivided attention. Clear focus keeps you motivated and prevents overwhelm. It allows you to make steady progress. You have your idea and your passion. You have the fuel you need to bring it to life. Now you're ready for the next step. You're ready to take action and turn your vision into reality. Remember, your unique energy is your secret ingredient. It's what makes your creation special. Don't try to do everything at once. Avoid the trap of multitasking. Choose the idea that makes your heart race, the one that ignites your soul. That's your starting point. That's where your journey begins. You can always return to other ideas later. They're not going anywhere. For now, pour your energy into this one. Give it your all and see what you can create. Your journey is underway. Embrace the adventure and enjoy the process. You're about to create something incredible, something that will make a difference. Trust your instincts. They're guiding you in the right direction. Your idea matters. It has the potential to change the world, even in a small way. Let's move forward and make it real. Let's bring your vision to life. The world is waiting for your creation. It's time to share your gifts with the world. With your idea in hand, it's time to find your AI partner. Think of AI tools as your creative team. Some write, some design, some compose music. For writing, try ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. They help brainstorm, draft, and edit. For art, use Midjourney, DALL-E 3, or Leonardo AI. Describe your vision, and they'll create it. It's like painting with words. Pure magic. Play and experiment with different tools. Many offer free trials. Find the one that feels right for you. The more you play, the more comfortable you'll get. Finding the right AI tool is like finding the perfect pair of shoes. It should fit your style and needs. Don't be afraid to try new things. Explore, experiment, and have fun. Your digital toolbox is waiting. The right AI helper will make your project shine. Start exploring today. Let your creativity lead the way. The perfect tool is out there for you. Embrace the possibilities. Your creative journey just got easier. Let's get building. You've got your idea, that spark of inspiration that's been brewing, and your AI tool, ready and waiting to bring that idea to life. Think of it as your digital assistant, eager to help you create something amazing. Now, let's create. It's time to put your plan into action and start the exciting journey of bringing your vision into reality. Be clear and specific. The more detail you provide, the better the AI can understand your needs. With your instructions, think of them as a blueprint, guiding the AI towards the desired outcome. You're the director. You're in charge, setting the creative direction and guiding the AI to execute your vision. For an ebook, a digital masterpiece waiting to be written, prompt your AI. Give it the initial instruction to get started. Write a friendly, simple chapter, something easy to understand and engaging for the reader. On choosing herbs for beginners, a topic that's both informative and accessible. The AI drafts, quickly generating a first version of your chapter. You review, carefully examining the text for accuracy, tone, and style. And you build your book, chapter by chapter, crafting a complete and compelling narrative piece by piece, each section contributing to the overall masterpiece. For visual products, where aesthetics are key, Describe your vision, paint a picture with words so the AI can understand the look and feel you're aiming for. Minimalist art print, a simple yet impactful design. With the quote, "You are capable of amazing things," a powerful message to inspire and uplift. In elegant script, pastel background, adding a touch of sophistication and serenity. The AI generates your image, bringing your vision to life in a stunning visual representation. Tweak the prompt until it's perfect. Refine the details until you achieve the exact look you desire. Think of this as a conversation, a back-and-forth exchange to refine the output. Refine, adjust, and guide the AI. Provide feedback and direction to steer the AI towards your desired outcome. Don't expect perfection on the first try. It's all part of the learning process. Keep iterating. Each attempt brings you closer to your goal. The more you interact, the more the AI learns your preferences, the better the results. The AI becomes more attuned to your creative vision. You lead, the AI follows. You're the creative force, guiding the AI to execute your ideas. Celebrate when you see your vision come to life. Acknowledge the progress and enjoy the creative journey. Creative success is a process, a journey of exploration and discovery. Enjoy the dance. Embrace the creative flow and let your ideas take shape. Use feedback to improve each version. Incorporate insights and refine your prompts for better results. Stay patient and persistent. Creative endeavors often require time and dedication. Your product is taking shape, slowly but surely. Every prompt brings you closer to your goal. Each interaction refines the outcome. Trust the process. Have faith in your ability to guide the AI and achieve your creative vision. Keep refining until it feels right. Pay attention to the details and make sure everything aligns with your vision. You're building something real, a tangible creation that reflects your unique vision. Let the magic unfold. Embrace the transformative power of AI and watch your ideas come to life. Your creation is almost ready. The final touches are being applied and your masterpiece is nearly complete. The AI gave you the raw material. Now it's your turn to make it shine. Edit and personalize everything. Add your stories, your humor, your voice. Check facts and details. Your expertise builds trust. For visuals, refine in tools like Canva. Adjust colors, move text, add your watermark. Make sure your product looks and feels like you. Read your text aloud, review your designs from a distance. Ask, does this feel like me? Am I proud of this? Your care and attention set your product apart. Customers value the human touch. Infuse your work with your unique humanity. AI is a tool. You are the artist. Polish until it sparkles. Your product is a reflection of you. Make it memorable. That's what builds real connection. Want to make your product even better? Use free resources. For photos and videos, try Pexels, Unsplash, or Pixabay. Millions of high-quality images free for commercial use. Need music? Check Pixabay Music or YouTube Audio Library for free tracks. Always check the license. Look for free for commercial use. Add visuals and music to elevate your product's professionalism. These resources help you create world-class products on a budget. Enhance your ebook, course, or art with just a few clicks. Don't spend money you don't need to. Use what's available to you. Free goodies make your product stand out. Explore and find what fits your vision. Make your creation shine with the best free tools. Your product deserves it. Your product is ready now? Package it for your customers. For ebooks, save as a PDF for easy access on any device. Design a beautiful cover using Canva or your AI art. For multiple files, bundle them in a zip folder for simple downloading. Test everything yourself, download, open, and check all links. Make sure it's user-friendly and looks great. A smooth experience builds your reputation. Take a few extra minutes for quality control. Be your own first customer. Fix any issues before launch. Presentation matters, make it count. Your product is almost ready for the world. Let's get it out there. The big moment time to share your product. Use platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip to sell easily. These sites handle payments and delivery for you. Write a clear, compelling title and description. Focus on benefits, not just features. Use your best images as product photos. Don't wait for perfection, just start. Your first listing won't be your best, and that's okay. Share your product link with friends, family, and on social media. Celebrate every sale, it's proof you created something valuable. You're a digital creator now. Be proud of your work. Keep improving as you go. The world needs what you've made. Hit publish and celebrate. Your journey as a creator has begun. We've journeyed from idea to finished product together. You now have the tools, knowledge, and roadmap to create something uniquely yours. The only thing left is to start. The world of digital creation is open to you. AI is your assistant, your magic wand. Don't let fear or self-doubt stop you. Every expert was once a beginner. Your product can help, inspire, and bring joy to others. When you create, you make a difference. Your light matters. Pick the idea that excites you most. Find your AI helper and start building. Add your special touch, share it with the world. You are more capable than you know. The time is now. Go create something wonderful. I'm cheering for you. Let's make magic happen.